Hiya! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial with the new Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. I have literally just got this, just unboxed it, and I am in awe. I love the colours. Look at them. I literally don't even know where to start. I just want to try them all. So what I'm going to do is come up with a look, and at the end I will swatch all of them so you can see exactly how they come out. But I'm so excited to give this a go. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe, and we'll see what I come up with. Right, so first of all I'm going to go in and do my eye base, and I'm using the P. Louise base in shade 0.5. I've got to say, I have already done my base makeup. Normally I wouldn't do it that way round, but as we are just focusing on the Jeffree Star palette today, I thought I might as well just go ahead and do everything else and literally just focus on the palette. Okay, so let's see, where should we start? Right, okay, so I went off camera. I did this eye first just to get my bearings and see where I wanted to go with it. I really like how this one's turned out. So now I'm going to show you how to do it on this eye. The first shade that I'm taking is Gumdrop. Okay, so I'm going to be putting it in the socket line here. First of all, I'm just putting it on with a pencil brush just so that I can get my outline. Then I'm going in with a fluffier brush, which is the Peaches and Cream PC30, just to buff it out. Okay, now using the P. Louise base again, I am going to cut the crease. Okay, next I'm going in with the shade Wow. Next shade is Bubblegum. I just use whatever's left on the P. Louise base brush just to smarten up that line. And then I'm just going to go over the yellow and the pink and try and mix them together so it looks a bit more seamless. And the final colour that I'm using for the lower lash line is this shade here, and it's called Cute. I am so sorry, I've got a new camera. I didn't realise that you actually couldn't see any of this. Well done, Sarah. As you can see, there is a little bit of fallout, but that is to be expected when you've got colours as pigmented as these are. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with liquid liner, and I'm using the NYX liquid vinyl. For mascara, I'm using Tarte's Light Camera Lashes. For lashes, I am using Tiggy Lashes in the style Natalie. The last thing I want to do is just put some highlight in the inner corner, and I'm going to go in with Jawbreaker. going to go under the brow bone with this one as well. So now I'm just going to go off camera and put some highlighter on and some lipstick, and I'll be right back. Right, this is the finished look. Somehow I've managed to sort of skip back and go into the 80s, but you know what? I love it. I really, really like this look. The palette itself is a winner. Old Jeffers has pulled it out the bag with this. I really, really like it. It's got so many beautiful colours. Like, I just want to use them all. So you're going to be seeing me use this in plenty more videos that are coming up. Yeah, it's a winner. It ticks all the boxes. Love it. Okay, I'm not the best at swatches, but I'll give it a go. So the first shade we are starting with on the top row is Virgin. Next up we've got a pale pink called Good Morning. That was useless, that swatch. Let me try again. Okay, after that we have got Bubblegum. Next one along is Wow. Then we've got Suck. The last one on that row is Licorice. So that is the top row. Right, on the next row down we start with Cute. Then we've got Fuck. Next on the row is Gumdrop. Goody goody gumdrops. Next shade along is Snack. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Next we have Brain Freeze. And then we've got this absolutely beautiful, it's almost like white gold. Look at that. Stunning. Love it. And that one is Jawbreaker. So that is the second row. So the next row down we're starting with And What? Oh, look at that. That is one swatch. So good. Okay, now we've got Orange Juice. Look. Oh, I love that. Next in the row we have got Sour. It's a bit of an anticlimax after the other two. Next in line is Soaked. That is so pigmented. Next up we have got Raspberry. And lastly on this row we've got Cotton Candy. Oh, I love it. Wow, look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. I think that and Orange Juice are my favourite in this palette. They are beautiful. Right, and now for the last row, we're starting with Lemon Drop. Oh, I take it back. This is one of my favourites. Oh, I love that. Okay, this might be actually my favourite of all of them. Next we have Bite Me. Then we've got Cherry Wet. Next up is Tasty. Then we've got, is that Cone? That's lovely. That'd be a nice transition shade. And lastly, we have Delicious. There we go. So that's the last row. Sorry, I'm not great at doing swatches, but there they are. Well, I would have reviewed more, but I'm not on Jeffree Star's PR list. So I had to pay for all this myself. Just saying. Hashtag just saying. Hashtag Jeff, what you up to? Hashtag get Sarah on Jeffree Star's PR list. Hey? Go on. You know you wanna. Right, okay, that is it. That is my tutorial done. Thank you very much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my content. There's going to be plenty more videos coming up. Please hit the little bell button as well so you know when my videos are released. Right, thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Mwah!